Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc000007b. Click on OK to close the application. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. View by to category and select programs. Select turn on Windows feature on or off. Click on open it. You just need to check mark these both option guys, .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8, and then click on OK. And if you have option let Windows update the files for you, then you just need to select it, and it will take some time to download that files. So after getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the same solution guys. Same solution, you just need to open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, find the Windows folder. Now find the System32 folder. Just double click on it. In here, you just need to search for a DLL file, xinput1_3.dll. Just right click on it and delete it. Now you just need to go back to Windows and find syswow64 folder, double click on it and find the same DLL file xin input1_3.dll. just right click on it and delete it. After deleting this DLL file, just close off here. Now you need to open up browser and search for DirectX download, and you will be get the Microsoft official site. Click on it. Scroll down, select your language and then select download option and download it. After getting download, and click on it and install it. Select I accept the argument and select next. Uncheck install the bring bar and select next. Select next. After getting done, click on finish and just close off here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.